Welcome to the eWeb Life login page to get to your AMTA member portal. At the top right, begin by clicking Login, which will take you to where you should enter your email address and your password, which will take you to your individual member portal. We have decided to create a number of short screencasts to help new members navigate through the website. In today's installment, we will look at forums. You can go to forums by clicking at the top where you see Member Forum, or we've recently added a button under the Member Resources section that will take you to a place to discuss anything happening within the modeling community, in general or discipline specific. Once you click on the Forum tab, it will bring you to the Forum homepage. This is where you'll see the current names of forums that are in place, the number of topics and posts that have been created, and the last time a post was made. This is called the board index, which you see right here. Anytime you want to get back to this home page, you click board index, or you can actually click right here within the AMTA logo and it will always bring you back to this page. Today I'm going to be a biology modeler, so I'm going to click Talk About Modeling in Biology. Once here, I can create a new topic, or I can work within topics that have already been created. We've recently had a post, New BCI Answer Key. So if I go into this post, I can see a question that's been asked. I can post a new topic within this particular thread, or I can post a reply. Now, if I'm not quite ready to post a reply and I want to see what other modelers say, I can actually click right here to subscribe to the topic. That way, anytime a new post is made, I should get a notification so I can come back and see what that's been. I can bookmark it, and I can actually also email this to a friend, a fellow biology modeler in this case. So once I have either posted a reply or just read and I want to go back to that board index, again, those two places are here, clicking board index, or clicking the AMTA logo, which brings me back to the main page. So this has been a quick introduction to how to get to the member forum, how to post, and how to subscribe so I can receive notifications. Once I'm completed here and I want to go back to my member portal, at the top right you see My AMTA, click that and you're back to where you began. So I hope this was helpful. We will continue to create more screencasts to help answer some basic questions. Have a great day.